When it comes to rooftop installations, it's not just about holding equipment in place, it's about doing it right. At Walraven, we believe rooftop supports should be easy to install, protect the roof membrane, and last for years, no matter the conditions. That's why our systems, for example our Yeti range, are designed with rigorous testing and flexibility in mind. From equipment supports, high load supports, service decks, stepovers and walkways, to pipe, duct and cable tray supports. Flat or pitch roofs, light units or heavy loads, we create solutions that fit the job, not the other way around. And we keep sustainability at the core, using responsible materials wherever possible. Our technical team works with you, using smart design tools to deliver clear, efficient plans, even for complex projects like the new Everton Stadium. It's about smarter rooftop support from a partner who understands what's at stake. So choose confidence. Choose Walraven.